Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to simply check out what is trending right now in any country using Google Trends. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Google Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, go ahead and click on this plus sign right here. Go ahead and click on Google search or type Google Trends. Hit on search. Then it's going to take you right here. Go ahead and click on Google Trends. Now you are here. Explore what is trend. Explore what Nigerian is searching for right now. So this depends on the country you are. So I'm in Nigerian, that is why you see Nigerian right here. Now let's explore what is actually trending right now in Nigeria. So for that, what we need to do is to click on this three slider. Go ahead and click on trending now. Now you are here. So as at the time of making this video, these are trending search keyword right here in Google. However, you can decide to search from other country and see what is trending right now from other country. For that, go ahead and click on here. Then here, we can decide to search what is actually trending in Bolivia. Click on it. And in a few seconds, you have the result right here. We can go ahead and change the country right here. So let's say, for instance, we want to check on what is trending right now in Denmark. So we can decide to choose region or all region. So in this tutorial, I'm going to select all region. So that is all Denmark in general. So as at the time of making this video, these are trending keywords in Denmark right here. So we can decide to filter out by the active one. For that, we can swipe this way, continue this way, continue this way. Then under all trends, click on here and turn on the show active one. So as at the time of making this video, these are massive 4 keywords that is very hot right now, trending in Denmark. We can go ahead and go back to the home page right here. Go back and then switch from Denmark to another country. So I'm going to go ahead now and check out what is trending in. Let's take a look at what is trending right now in Canada. Okay, let's take a look at what is trending right now in Qatar. So click on Qatar. Just click on the end of the country right here, and you'll be given the result. So this is exactly what is trending right now in Qatar with the active one. So just one keyword is trending right here in Qatar. Go back to the country. You can choose any other one right here. So let's take a look at the Bangladesh, and you will be given the active one because we are filtered by the active one. So these are massive keyword trending right now in Bangladesh. You can see it right here. So you can go on and check out what is trending by different country right here using your Google search. You can do all these things to know what is exactly trending from different parts of the world. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this on how to use your Google Trend, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.